Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share with you my experience traveling to Malange, which is a province that is 390 kilometers from Luanda. I thought that this trip was going to take 5 hours because it's supposed to take 5 hours, but it took me more than that. Not because I'm a slow driver, but I wasn't even the one driving, but because the roads are very busy and they are in very bad conditions. From Luanda to Malange, the roads is full of holes, making it impossible to drive at a steady speed. And on top of that, we almost had an accident. We almost ran over these guys because they roam around freely everywhere on the road with no one to watch over them, which is very dangerous. After a very long drive, we finally arrived in Malange. We went straight to the hotel to check in. I was really impressed at how beautiful and modern the hotel is. Very clean and very comfortable. This is going to be my new home for the next weekend. The room looks nice. I'm happy with it. It was worth it, like, to go through all those bumpy roads. And it looks very nice, very cute. It has a balcony. Yeah, here. It's a very nice hotel. Check this out. We were tired and hungry. We had a quick lunch at this restaurant. The food was very simple but delicious. On the day we arrived, we didn't go out to see the landscapes, since all the tourist attractions is more than 100 kilometers distance from the city. So we decided just to stay in the city for that day to rest and just check out the town, see everything. And the next day we were going to see all the landscapes if it was possible, because everything is very far away from each other. It's time to explore the city and for an ice cream. I think we're lost. Estamos perdidos? Então onde é que é? Ali? Geographically, Malange is like 10 times bigger than Luanda. But the city, the main city, is very small. It's not that developed compared to Luanda and doesn't have many people. But besides that, the city is very clean, very organized. The people are friendly. Although the city looks old, has many old buildings. Like I said, it's not very developed. I didn't see many modern constructions, anything going on besides the hotels and some few restaurants we saw. But the main structure of the city still looks very old. It's another day. It's already 6:30, and look how the weather is. It's so cool, it's so fresh. I'm even feeling a bit chilly. If it was in Luanda, would have been by this time 6:30. It would have been already very hot. And I'm loving the weather in Malange. It's very cool. During the day it's like sunny, but it's not that suffocating like in Luanda. Yeah, Luanda can be very hot, extremely suffocating. But here, the air is clean because it's not dusty. So yeah, the city is clean too. And the sun is not too hot. It's very nice. It's very pleasant weather. I like it here. And just check. It's morning 6:30 and it's very nice, very fresh. Yeah.
I'm enjoying. We are going now to Pungwandongu, and then we are going to the second biggest waterfall in Africa, and that is Kalandula Waterfall. It's around about 1.5 hours from Malange City, from where we are, from the hotel. And I have the plan to see like 5 tourist attractions, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to because the places are far away from each other. I'll try. I'll see what is going to be possible to do today. Today's Saturday, and tomorrow Sunday we have to go back to Luanda. I am so excited to see everything. Yeah. So yeah.
Kalandula Waterfalls is 105 meters in height and 400 meters in length, making it the second biggest in Africa, after Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. I was really amazed at how beautiful Kalandula Waterfall is. This waterfall is majestic in size and beauty. Next to the fall there is a little pool. People come and enjoy swimming here. It must be really relaxing to come and swim next to these majestic waterfalls. Just when we were about to leave, we found this man. He was playing a very traditional musical instrument in Angola. It's called marimba. And I just stopped there for a minute or two just to listen to him. It was really nice. I really enjoyed the music. watch the musician play, we left to our next stop, and it was Museleji Waterfalls. Museleji Waterfalls, it's only 15 minutes drive from Kalandula Waterfalls. But the trip took us like 15 minutes to get there because the roads are extremely bad, extremely bad. It was very muddy, very bumpy. It was plants covering the road. We couldn't even go through with a car. It was very, very difficult. But we managed to get there. To our surprise, I never knew that Museleji Waterfalls was in the middle of a little village, a very poor village. I mean, when we got there, I felt like we were intruder to this little community because the waterfalls like their shower. Like, I don't know how to say, but it seemed to me it was like their shower, the private shower. We found kids playing around, swimming, girls washing clothes, and I felt like I talked to my boyfriend and I said, are we invading someone's privacy? Because this fall is so private, so it belongs to that community. And we felt so bad because we were like strangers to them. We were there taking photos, taking pictures, and then we felt so bad. And we didn't stay for that long. We only took like 15 minutes there just to take pictures and enjoy the falls, and we left because we felt so embarrassed. I never knew the falls was in the middle of the village. But anyway, what can I say? There is no communication in this village. There's no network, no electricity. There's water though from the falls. That's the only thing they have. I mean, I'm laughing, but I feel bad. But at least they have water, and it's like very clean water. I mean, I wanted to swim there also, but anyway, we had to leave, and it was it. Alright guys, my video ends here. Unfortunately, I only could see the falls, Kalandula Waterfalls and Museleji and Malange City. I had plans to see Pungwandongu. We went to Pungwandongu, but that's exactly where my trip ended because something unexpected happened and we had to leave. And I was really, really sad, but we had to leave. And that is the story for another video that I will tell you what happened in Pungwandongu. But besides that, I really enjoyed Malange. Malange is an amazing province and it's way bigger than Luanda, but it's very underdeveloped. But the people are very friendly, very welcoming. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you for the next one, alright? Thank you guys. Bye.